Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing Airpods to the device you use for Roblox. This is essential because Roblox captures the system input. Once paired, grant microphone permission to the Roblox app in System Settings so the app can see the Airpods mic. Make sure your Airpods appear as both input and output in the device sound settings. If only output appears, you'll need to switch profiles or use an adapter. Begin Roblox and enter a server that supports voice chat as the next step. You now change the in-game audio device. Open the voice interface or settings in Roblox while connected to a voice chat server and explicitly select your Airpods for input and output. This forces Roblox to route voice through the Airpods mic rather than the internal microphone. Once done, speak and watch the voice activity indicator to verify input levels. If levels are low, increase system microphone gain or move Airpods, stem closer to your mouth. You finish by performing a live test with a friend or the Roblox mic check. This confirms your voice is being sent. If you can't be heard, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, relaunch Roblox and reselect Airpods. Make sure system privacy settings still allow microphone use. If the Airpods mic remains unreliable, use a Lightning or USB adapter to connect headphones or switch to an external mic. This bypasses Bluetooth profile limitations and resolves the only common hardware-related issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.